Hey folks, Mike with Iron Nation Garage. Thank you all for being tuned in. Hopefully you're all subscribed. If you're not subscribed, if you could hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Gonna do a quick video today. I'm running into a quandary with towing a little dump cart around my property. I've always had tractors and they have that little hitch. You can hook a little dump cart up, but now I have a zero turn and I'm not keeping the extra tractors around the property. So I got something off Amazon. What I like about it is it's made in USA. I'm gonna show everyone what it is. It's a hitch mount. It's actually a really simple, easy fix for your zero turn. You could pull a little dump cart with. This way you don't need a tractor. So check this thing out. And thank you all for being tuned in. Okay, here's the unboxing. You can see this is your plate. It goes on the, there's the Made in USA. The plate that goes, mounts onto the back of the zero turn, and I'll show you how that affixes. And then you have your, hold one hand here, your hitch portion here, and that will go into that right there. So, and if we go over to the zero turn, I've already taken these bolts off, folks. I used a, was this a 19, that's an 18 millimeter wrench. These two guys, these two bolts on the back, this is a John Deere Z930. So you're gonna have a washer and you're gonna have your bolt, your 18 millimeter. Take these guys off. All right, there's no backup on them, so they come right off. And it looks like this little thing, this little plate right here is gonna slip right over top. All right, and then I'm gonna leave the washers on the outside, like so. And then we're gonna tighten everything back up. This was actually a really, really easy fix to my dilemma that I had. So I hope it helps all you folks. I mean, this would probably take you no more than 15 minutes. Whoops. Doing an oil change on this John Deere as well every spring. I have a bunch of videos on the channel of greasing it, oil changes, that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, this is gonna be nice. I'm actually looking forward to this. And I'm not sure on the torque specs. We're gonna tighten it. It was pretty tight, but we're just gonna tighten this down and get her tightened, and then we'll add that other hitch portion into here. I'll show you what that looks like once we're tightened up. All right, also provided in there, you've got your little cotter pin and clip. I'm gonna put this guy right in here, folks. Simple as can be. And put your clip through. We'll do that now, and we're gonna be all completed. Okay, here it is. There's a couple adjustments over on that side. I put it on the one that's closer to the hitch, and you can see that just butts up against that. And then you put your little dump cart right through there. A little bit of play, but that's no big deal. And I have my cotter pins, if need be, for my trailers here, so we can hook your little dump cart up or whatever else you want to pull with it. Tighten these guys, bolt these bolts up real nice, so they're tightened up. But I'll let you take a look at that from the back. Not bad. It doesn't stick out that far. So, yeah, it came out really nice. And again, what I really like, made in the USA, folks. I'll leave a link for it in the description. I forget what I paid. I think it was around $40 or $50, I believe. I'll double check. But very happy with it. Very, very happy. Really nice addition. Super easy to put on. If you have a zero turn, well, specifically mine's a John Deere. I don't know as far as other brands. I'm sure other brands will have that option, but I just searched it out on Amazon for this model Z930M, and that popped up. Great design. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you get a chance, if you could just hit the subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm going to try to put more content. I do a lot of how-to mowing videos, tractor stuff, Harley stuff, truck stuff, that kind of stuff. So if you're into that, if you could hit the subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for staying in tune and watching, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any commentary or any suggestions, or you want to make any comments, I appreciate it. I always answer everyone. So if you could like, subscribe, and maybe comment, thanks. Have a great day.